Hello guys, what's up? Thank you for watching my video. Oppo Reno7 series was just released in Malaysia. There was no sales roadshow for Reno6 series released a half year ago, since Malaysia was under lockdown at the time. Today, we finally see Oppo's new sales roadshow for the first time in a year. I'm so hyped up to be here. Xiaomi also held the Redmi Note 11 series roadshow just a week ago here. So, actually being in this shopping mall 2 weekends in a row. You can also find my Redmi roadshow report video in my channel. Don't miss it. Okay, let me take you guys inside the event. The scale of Oppo's previous roadshows for Reno 4 in 2020 and Reno 5 last year was relatively small, but as you can see, this Reno 7 roadshow is being held in the big space. Let's check all the color variation of the Reno 7 devices. The vanilla Reno 7 5G. The display is 6.4-inch 1080p resolution, 90Hz refresh rate. The dimension is as described on the spec table. The weight is 173 grams, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 900. The camera configuration is the 64-megapixel main cam, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide, the 2-megapixel macro, and the 32-megapixel selfie cam. The battery capacity is 4500 mAh and 65-watt fast charging. The next is the Reno 7 Pro 5G. The display is 6.5-inch 1080p resolution, 90Hz refresh rate. The dimension is as described on the spec table. The weight is 180 grams, 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Max. The camera configuration is the 50-megapixel main cam, the 8-megapixel ultra-wide, the 2-megapixel macro, and the 32-megapixel selfie cam. The battery is 4500 mAh and 65 fast charging. Let's compare the two models next. The Vanilla 7's lower chin is way thicker than Pro's. The Vanilla 7 is built with the glass back panel and the plastic frame, whereas the Pro is built with the glass back panel and metal frame. The Pro's entire design is squarish and looks like the iPhone 12 or 13. When it comes to the starlight black color, you will notice that the Vanilla 7 is a little bit more bluish than the Pro, and the strength of the sandblast texture of the Vanilla 7 is a little bit softer than the Pro's. I'll take some pictures with the Reno 7 Pro and show them to you. The first shot is taken with Sony IMX766 main cam. The next is ultra-wide picture. The last shot is the 2x digital zoom by using the main cam. We can also try Oppo's entry model A series here. Let me briefly show you some of them. This kind of shooting section is very common in the cell phone roadshow in Malaysia. In this event, you can take a shot here and you can also print out your shot with the Reno7 decorated print machine. The first generation of the Reno appeared in 2019, and we've already seen the 7th generation of the Reno devices in 2022. One more new Reno 7 device, the Reno7Z, will be available in April in Malaysia. You know, Oppo never gets us bored. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Stay safe.